Welcome on to the set of the Fantasy Show. I'm Matthew Berry with Daniel Dopp. Now, last week we set our 2018 Fantasy Football rankings at the Ranking Summit. You can see them all on ESPN.com right now. But here is the consensus top 10. No surprise that it's a bunch of running backs and wide receivers. Le'Veon Bell coming out at number 1. The first wide receiver is his teammate, Antonio Brown. And the rookie, Saquon Barkley, makes number 10, rounding out the first round. So, Secret Squirrel, what do you think?
I said we play the Fantasy Show game that has millennials around the nation screaming for joy. We Gucci or nah, fam?
We Gucci on playing, but nah, fam, on the contention it's sweeping the nation. What do we got first?
First question. Christian McCaffrey, maybe not a great rookie season in regular football, but definitely good from a fantasy perspective. So I ask you, Matthew Berry, we Gucci or nah, fam on Christian McCaffrey?
Oh, we Gucci. You look at McCaffrey last year, 80 receptions, huge for PPR, 650 yards, 5 receiving touchdowns, but only 117 carries out of the backfield. Now, I expect McCaffrey's receiving numbers to remain steady, but Jonathan Stewart and his over 200 touches out of the picture, McCaffrey's touches should take a nice spike up. He's a perfect fit for a Norv Turner offense. He's my running back 9. We Gucci on Christian McCaffrey. Millennials love us, Secret Squirrel. Who's next?
Next up, Aaron Rodgers checks in at 26 overall, and he's the top-rated QB. I'd see consensus rankings have 3 QBs in the top 40. So, we Gucci or nah, fam on taking QBs early?
Yeah, nah, fam. Make no mistake. Aaron Rodgers is a stud. Tom Brady, Russell Wilson, they're all amazing, but there's so much depth at quarterback. I mean, Matt Ryan didn't make the top 15. There isn't a huge drop-off in that second tier. The 5th round is when I would start thinking about taking a quarterback, especially in a 10-team standard league. Because of the depth, I can't imagine taking any quarterback in the top 40. So, nah, fam, on QBs as top 40 picks.
All right, Matthew, while we're on the top 50, there's one name I didn't see that stood out to me. Amari Cooper. Big numbers the first 2 years in the league, but then last year, not so much. So, we Gucci or nah, fam on Amari Cooper this year?
We Gucci. Look, unless I'm missing something, Amari Cooper, the clear number 1 receiver in Oakland, obviously Michael Crabtree gone, John Gruden saying he is going to be the focal point of our passing offense. Remember, 2 years ago, he was the 13th best wide receiver in fantasy. In the games where Amari Cooper, over his career, has gotten 8 or more targets, he has averaged 18 fantasy points a game. He's going to be peppered with targets. I'm not worried about Jordy Nelson or Martavis Bryant. We Gucci on Amari Cooper. Remember, all of our rankings are live right now on ESPN.com, and for an exclusive behind-the-scenes look at how we set the rankings, we have 5 Fantasy Football Now specials on ESPN+.